Hi, I'm Dr. Olivia Santiago, Dutchess County Health Commissioner. I want to talk to you about contact tracing. You may have heard that contact tracing is ending. Well, that's not really true. What's really happening is that formal contact tracing efforts by the state, by the county, are winding down, and instead they're being replaced by your contact tracing. So we now need you to be the contact tracers for your own exposures. This doesn't mean that we've given up. It means that because there's so much COVID right now and what's going on with the Omicron wave, there are a lot of ways that you could be exposed and a lot of settings that you may be exposed. So it's really important for the individual to now become responsible for, number one, if you're sick, getting yourself tested, and if you come back positive, to inform your contacts, those people with whom you spent at least 15 minutes within a 24-hour period and within 6 feet of them, that you inform them, hey, you know what, you may have been exposed. In the past, we really depended on contact tracing to make sure that we tried to contain the spread of disease. Now we have a lot more tools at our disposal. We have vaccinations, we have masks, we have boosters, and we have isolation, which we want you to continue to isolate if you come back positive. And there's good reason for that, right? We don't want that spread to continue. And by isolating yourself and being responsible and testing yourself, you can keep your family and your community safer. So most importantly, if you're sick, stay home and get tested. The stay home part is the most important thing, because even if you're sick with something other than COVID, you don't want to spread it around. You don't want to spread whether it's the flu or some other virus. Now, if you do have COVID, it's important that you stay home and you let your contacts know so that they may quarantine if appropriate, or make sure that they're monitoring their own symptoms so that they don't then spread the disease. New York State has offered a self-attestation for people who need to isolate because they've tested positive for COVID. So please make sure that you follow the links so that you can actually attest and obtain a letter from New York State saying that you've tested positive. So in this world where everything's changing all the time, we just want to bring you the latest information so that you're aware. We have transitioned to an era now where it's important for you to be responsible to yourself and to your community. If you're sick, get tested. If you're sick, most importantly, stay home so that you don't pass around any disease. Thank you.